सबको नमस्कार. So today I'm here with the rest topics of list. Yesterday we have discussed the topic up to slicing. Perhaps not slicing, it is slicing yet to be discussed. I have discussed up to replicating function, the star I have used, and joining as well the plus operator and star operator. Today we will discuss about slicing and a few more the functions of list. So first of all, let me discuss slicing. Slicing means cutting the pieces. As you have listened the word sliced bread. Sliced bread is a kind of bread which is uh, cut into many pieces. So if we want to cut a list in many pieces, we have to use slicing. Slicing is similar to what uh, the action took place regarding a string. So here regarding list, I am defining the slicing. So suppose this is the list 1 comma 3 4 6 0 uh, 3 2 and so on. Okay, so suppose I'm going to discuss the slicing. So look what happening actually. There is, I'm writing L. This is, you know very well, uh, uh, if we want to extract an element from a list, what we have to do, we have to use this operator, the bracket. The bracket is used, and I have already told you that whatever the sequence may be, to extract the elements, we have to use bracket. So slicing is nothing but extraction. We are extracting elements with certain conditions. So look what happening here. So in slicing, we have to define start, stop, and step. So suppose I am giving start index as 1 colon 3 colon 1. Look what the result. This is 3 4. So second element 1 means the second element, the index of first element is 0, so it will go up to 3, and 3 is exclusive. So first element and second element, because of step is 1, if I mention here step something else, suppose I am using like this, what happening, like this, what happens, look, this is nothing, because of what happening here, what happened here, starting from 1, I have to go up to 3, means exclusive 3 means 1 2 is the end point. So but what happening here, it is extracting first element 1, thereafter minus 1 means 1 minus 1 0, thereafter 0 minus 1 means minus 1, means it is trying to extract the value indexed with 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So it's an endless process, it never comes to, that's why it's giving an empty list. So very well, you try more examples of slicing. Now come to the functions on list. So there are various functions. uh, some important functions I will discuss here. So there are functions of nature that if we want to insert some element in list, if we want to extract some element from list, so depending on that we have to use the functions. So let me summarize. Suppose I want to insert an element in list. So if you want to insert, there are functions like insert, append, and extend. These three are important functions. How does it work? insert is used to insert an element at a particular index. For example, suppose I want to, we have L, very well. So in L, I want to insert 2 comma A. A is nothing but a constant. This is a string. What happened? Sorry. I have to use the function insert. Insert 2 comma single quoted. Okay. This is. Now look what happened. 2 is inserted at second index. So now list is 13A4602. So if we want to insert an element at a particular index, we have to use insert function. What is about append function? Append function means appendix. You might have heard the word appendix. Means in books, appendix is a content which is appended in last of the book. Appendix means append something in last. Append means adding something in last. So in books we see appendix like something discussed not in main course. It is discussed later in the form of appendix. So here L dot append. Look what's happening. 2 comma suppose U. Listen. Now look what happening. This uh, this is the list being appended at the last. So this is the meaning of appendix. Now extend. Extend is a function which is used to add multiple number of elements in last. Okay, multiple number of this insert is used to insert a single element, and append is used a single element in the last, and extend is used to multiple elements. How? L dot extend L comma L comma extend. What is here? Let me check. This L dot extend this 2 comma 5. This is the meaning of extend. Don't be confused. Look very clear cut. Append is used to add the element in last. The element may be anything, a list, a single number, a dictionary, tuple, anything. But here extend is a conditional addition. Extends allows to add only a list to existing list. So what happens here? If L is a list and I am using extend function, and by using extend function I am adding another list 2 5. So 2 5 is being added as an independent elements, not in form of list. This is the major difference between append and extend. So I think, hope this is very clear. And now I am going to tell you a very important function, eval function. This is not in main course. So what I have told you, that this is a kind of appendix of this video lecture. Okay, so eval is a function which is primarily used to accept values in its original form. For example, suppose I am writing here x is equal to eval input. Suppose give some message here,